Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the best method to sell digital products on Google Merchant Center in 2025. If you're looking to sell ebooks, software, courses, or any other digital product, this guide will help you get started the right way. 1. Set up your Google Merchant Center account. First, head over to Google Merchant Center and sign up using your Google account. Once inside, provide your business details, including name, website, and tax information. This is crucial for verification and ensuring your products meet Google's policies. 2. Enable digital goods. Since Google Merchant Center primarily supports physical products, you'll need to enable digital goods by going to your account settings. Google requires sellers to comply with specific policies, so make sure your digital products meet their requirements. 3. Optimize your website for sales. Your website must have a clear product page, secure checkout, and refund policy. Use structured data to help Google understand and list your products correctly. Also, ensure that your website is mobile-friendly for a better shopping experience. 4. Upload your digital products. Now, go to the Products tab in Google Merchant Center and manually add or bulk upload your digital products using a product feed. Include high-quality images, a detailed product description, the correct price and availability, a direct download or purchase link. 5. Set up Google Ads for promotions. To increase visibility, link your Merchant Center account with Google Ads. Run targeted shopping ads and remarketing campaigns to reach potential buyers. Google's AI-driven recommendations can help improve your ad performance over time. 6. Ensure compliance with Google policies. Google has strict rules for digital goods, so make sure your products are legal and original. Your checkout process is secure. You offer customer support and a clear refund policy. 7. Track sales and optimize performance. Once your products are live, monitor sales using Google Analytics and Merchant Center reports. Analyze which products perform best and adjust your strategy accordingly to maximize profits. By following these steps, you'll be able to sell digital products effectively on Google Merchant Center in 2025. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more e-commerce tips. See you in the next one.